Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? This is Cooking with Afton. Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I made my spicy honey barbecue chicken wings. Oh my god, my wings were so delicious. I enjoy eating my wings. So I'm going to show you guys step by step how to make your spicy honey barbecue wings, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload a video. Alright, so let me just show you my ingredients. Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how I season up my chicken wings. Today I'll be making some spicy honey barbecue chicken wings. So the first thing I'm going to do is blend up some seasoning. In here I have some Wiri pepper, ginger, garlic, shallots, celery, and some fine leaf thyme. So I'm going to put it into my food processor. Then I'm going to mix it up. So I'm going to mix up my seasoning now. So my seasoning has been finished mixing up here. So I'm going to take it off. And I'm going to put it into my chicken wings. This is how it's looking here. Put all the seasoning into my chicken wings. And then we're going to put in our black pepper. We have some paprika, smoked paprika. This is some chicken seasoning. All-purpose seasoning. And I'm going to put in some a little mustard hot sauce. Just a little bit. And then I'm going to mix everything together. Make sure everything is mixed up well. Okay guys, so I had to use the gloves because this is very spicy. So all my wings are marinated in seasoning here. So what I'm going to do now is about 11 at night. I'm going to put this in the fridge and let this marinate overnight. So when I get up in the morning about 5 a.m. I'm going to show you guys. I'll show you guys how what am I saying? When I get up in the morning, I'll show you guys the next step. Alright, so I'm going to put this in the freezer now. I'm tired, so I'm talking nonsense. Now it's about near 11 o'clock. Anyway, so when I get up in the morning, I'll continue with this video. See you tomorrow morning. Bye. Okay guys, so it's the next morning. So I just took out my chicken wings out of the fridge. So here it's looking like this. This is my pan here. I just put a teaspoon of butter. So what I'm going to do is just spread the butter all over in the pan like this. And then I'm gonna put in my chicken wings one by one. Alright, and let it bake for about half an hour. And then we're gonna take it out and put in our sauce. We'll be back. Okay guys, so this is my season up wings here. So I'm gonna put it into the oven now. I already preheat my oven. So I'm gonna put it into my oven for half an hour. So we'll be back. Okay, so it has been about half an hour. So what I'm gonna do is drain out some of the oil out of the chicken here. So we'll be back. Okay, so I just drained out of the oil. So what I'm gonna do now is turn the chicken them over. Just turn them over one by one. We'll be back. Okay, so I finished turning over all of the chicken. So I'm going to put it back in the oven to bake for another 20 minutes. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so while my chicken is in the oven there, I'm going to mix my barbecue sauce. My honey spicy barbecue sauce. So this is my barbecue sauce here. I have 3 different types of pepper. I have mustard hot sauce, green hot sauce, and red hot sauce. So I'm going to put in my pepper. Mix my pepper into my barbecue sauce. So I have 3 different flavors. This is going to be so good, yummy. And also I have my honey, because the chicken is going to be a honey spicy barbecue. Yummy. So what you're going to do now is just mix in all the pepper with the honey into the barbecue sauce like this. Alright, so let me taste it now. Wow. Ooh, spicy. Oh my god, it's so spicy. But that's how I like it. So when my chicken finished baking for the next 20 minutes, I'll put on my sauce. So we'll be back. Oh, and I'm also making my honey barbecue sauce with some fried plantain. When I bought this plantain was green. It was like yesterday. When I wake up this morning, it's actually half ripe already. So, damn it. Anyway, I'm gonna still fry my plantain. So my honey barbecue wings, my honey spicy barbecue wings is gonna go with some fried plantain. I wish it was green, but it's ripe, but I have to work with what I have, okay? So I'm gonna put some of my plantain into the oil to fry. Alright, so we'll be back. Okay guys, so my chicken just came out of the oven. So I'm gonna get a spoon and I'm gonna put my sauce, my barbecue sauce, on my chicken. You could use a brush if you want to, but you can just use a spoon. And you're gonna put your barbecue sauce all over the chicken. In the meantime, my plantain is frying. And put your barbecue sauce all over your chicken. This is gonna be so delicious. Okay, so my barbecue sauce has been coated all over my chicken, so I'm gonna put it back into the oven for about 15 minutes. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so I just took the wings out of the oven. So I'm gonna plate it and then you guys see the end results. Okay guys, so this is the end results for my spicy honey barbecue chicken wings. And this is my half fried plantain. So I'm gonna taste it now and tell you guys how it is. I'm gonna take one leg here. Oh my god, it's so hot. Whew. It's so hot. You see the steam? Okay, here goes. Wow, it tastes so good. And by had it marinated in the fridge overnight, you're tasting all of the ginger, the garlic, everything. Wow, this wings taste delicious. Wow. Wow. Well, I hope you guys try my recipe. See? I eat out my chicken wings. So I hope you guys try my honey barbecue. My spicy honey barbecue chicken wings. I hope you guys try my recipe, and you guys can leave a comment down below and tell me how you guys wings came out. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton. Alright? And also, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload a video. Alright? So thank you guys so much for watching my video. Stay blessed. Bye. I'm gonna enjoy my delicious spicy wings now at work. Okay guys, bye.